Explore Michigan's scenic Keweenaw Peninsula. Discover Tom's UP cabin located right on Lake Medora near Copper Harbor. This authentic log cabin offers a wonderful Upper Peninsula experience. It comfortably sleeps up to 5 guests in 2 bedrooms. Inside features new furniture and wood floors. A cozy pot-bellied stove adds warmth. Relax on the spacious covered porch. Enjoy peaceful views overlooking the lake. The cabin boasts 185 feet of private lake frontage. A private dock awaits your arrival. Swim in Lake Medora's clear waters. Try fishing for smallmouth bass. Use the provided canoe and kayaks for exploration. Paddle the quiet shoreline right from the property. Plan your Upper Peninsula Copper Harbor cabin vacation the smart way. Save money. Why pay extra? Big online travel agencies add traveler service fees. Booking Tom's Cabin direct on rentmichigancabins.com means no extra travel site fees. You avoid these added costs every single time. Keep that money for your adventures. Explore the famous Copper Harbor trails for hiking or mountain biking. Visit historic Fort Wilkins State Park. Drive up Brockway Mountain Drive. See incredible Lake Superior vistas. Discover nearby waterfalls. Enjoy the natural beauty all around you. Ready for your Keweenaw adventure? Ready to save by booking direct? View photos and check the amenities. See updated availability. Send Tom an inquiry directly through the site to ask questions, confirm dates, and book your memorable stay.